A heat pump absorbs heat from either inside your house and transfers it to the outdoors and expels it to cool your home. And in the wintertime, it'll absorb heat from even really cold outdoor air and transfer that into your house to actually heat your house. You do want to have a house that's pretty well insulated and air sealed to have a heat pump work as efficiently as possible.
So we're going to release the nitrogen, the pressure, and then we're going to put the system into a vacuum and pump down. So Richard is releasing the nitrogen from our pressure test out of the system, and hopefully we'll bring out a lot of moisture with that as well. Well, this is the heart of our ductless mini split system. As you saw earlier, there were inside heads. That's basically a coil and a fan that moves the either heated or cooled refrigerant. These are our line sets, and these run to our heads. We will put all of these line sets into what we call line hides, so it's aesthetically pleasing. So hyperheat will give you heat down below zero. This is a 9,000 BTU head. So we were able to use what they call line hide, and there's a line set and drain that is connected to this head, and this goes to an outside wall, and it was really the only way we could aesthetically get that to the outside wall.
What we like to really do is try to evaluate the whole house as a system and come up with recommendations for addressing, the performance of the home to make sure the heat pump system is going to really work effectively and efficiently, provide proper heating and cooling, and maintain comfort with lower utility bills.
It's called teamwork.